Good morning, guys. Looks to be my last day in this place. It looks like the guys won't need me. Another guy's gonna show up. They're gonna finish his shit. But yeah, I just spent some time filling up some spices. I now have allspice. I love allspice, especially in conjunction with cinnamon. And I just filled up my cumin, and now I got this particulate salt, like this very fine salt, which is much better for sushi. So yeah, just packing down everything, checking thrice, making sure I'm not forgetting anything. Almost forgot my towel, my microfiber towel. Yeah, I'm just going through everything, packing up my stuff. Oh my god, it's been hard, guys. It's been really hard. Hard work, but it's good. I can tell I'm stronger for it. The guy's over there working. Look at that. Oh yeah. Gotta just pack down the rest of my stuff. And then I think I'm heading out in an hour or two, or a few. I'm not sure. My hair is so wonderful, guys. I'm telling you. The Lush soap, shampoo, conditioner bars. Not only do I love showering, I always did, but this is like 5 times as good. But the result, like how well I smell afterwards. Oh. And this month is looking pretty good on money. So I think I'm gonna head off to Sweden, to Malmö, to go to the physical Lush store. Thankfully there's one nearby, and I'm gonna get my favorite perfume. I'm gonna get a few other things. The bars don't quite last as long as I had anticipated, but much longer than those little travel size containers of soap and shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just gonna restock, maybe get some other types of soap while I'm over there. What else? Oh yeah, the guy that I had been chilling with during Helgeday, Mass, I believe his name was. I've invited him to go to a little festival this weekend, another 3-day event. There's more people attending this one. You have to pay and such. It's not like a private thing. But this other guy from Helgeday invited me, and so I invited this guy, and hopefully the two of us are gonna go together. That would be really nice, because this guy was amazing. I had like the best fucking mornings with this guy. Like, we just had 2 amazing mornings watching the sunset, reading this little book of romantic poems and sayings and such. We had a great time, and then the next day we fell asleep around. Well, we didn't actually really sleep. I think I slept for like an hour or so, but we were just chilling around the campfire all day and all night and all morning. Really nice guy. Definitely. I mean, everyone at Helgeday is like has the potential to be a friend for life. So I'm just really, really looking forward to reuniting with some of them here at this festival this weekend, and then with like 90% of them in another 2-3 weeks at Nake Festival. It's a good thing I made a little bit of money, huh, guys? Because all these things are coming up. I gotta order the tent too, and yeah, the weather's pretty bad, so I'm probably just gonna stay indoors editing videos all day when I get back, because I am so fucking far behind. More than a month. It's never happened. I'm supposed to be a week behind. But hey, life happens. I've been busy. And, working every day, physically exhausting yourself, it's amazing. Like, even if I have to stay here while working, I don't feel like my spare time is being siphoned off. Like, we've been enjoying ourselves, talking a shitload, watching series, watching old Danish skits, a skit show called The Cavalry, or Rytteriet in Danish. It's been really nice hanging out here, getting to know the guys as well. These 2 guys were the ones I talked to the least in the commune, the ones who had the worst impression of me. and the ones that I had a negative impression of as well. But dude, they're great guys. They may be some of the best people in the commune, actually. Well, I like most people in the commune, you know. Everyone's pretty nice there. Well, I think I like everyone there. Yeah, I like everyone there. Well, I'm sorry these videos, you know, these past few days have been kinda, nothing's really happening. I'm probably gonna put them all together to a single week-long video, just because it's just been work, eat, sleep, work, eat, sleep, you know? Except for Haley Day. That shit was amazing. I made myself some banging fucking breakfast. I'm not actually watching this cartoon, I don't know it. It's some video essay. But check this shit out. Delicious. And I got an ice cold Kokyo, the Danish chocolate milk. Some organic ketchup. Everything organic right here, actually. That's the nice thing about working with this guy. He loves to eat organic, healthy foods. Well, itadakimasu.
Rabat på...
Hey guys, the other guys went shopping. I'm staying behind. I haven't really done much work today. I've kind of been, they've been doing some stuff that I didn't know how to do, and I just kind of get in the way, so I may have done something for about an hour or so, but for the rest, finally I got around to editing some videos. I'm behind on release schedule right now, but I'm just gonna pump out 2 videos every day for the foreseeable future. Well, by the time you see this, it's gonna be like, forget about it, okay? I've really been enjoying myself here. I'm gonna go with Jens back to the commune, pick up the rest of my camping setup, basically all of my stuff, more or less. And then I'm gonna return here, eat dinner with the guys, well, maybe work a little bit, go to bed, wake up, maybe work a little bit then. And then in, I don't know, like 10 a.m. or something tomorrow, I'm gonna head off to Skiby, or Ship Town. Because I was invited to an event over the weekend by one of the people who attended Helge Day, a guy named Daniel. And so I'm gonna go there. I have no fucking clue what it is. I just know it's a big collective. Like there's 80 adults, 50 children live in there. They have this event. It costs a few hundred krona to attend. I'm definitely gonna go. I invited that guy. I believe his name was Mess, the guy who I spent 2 nice mornings with during the weekend, during Helge Day. And he couldn't find someone to babysit his dog. I told him, just bring it. But I don't know. I don't think he's gonna show up. I was supposed to go to Nyborg to meet up with Bogdan and Yes, and Bogdan and some of his friends are arranging an electronic music event, but sadly I'd rather go to this thing. It's way more my style, and it's like a full weekend thing. Whereas the music thing, it's not really a tent-friendly area, so I'm picking this one. But I do miss Bogdan, and I do have a Trangia for him, like a fully fledged Swedish alcohol stove set up with plates and everything that I do want to give him. I'll just do that next time I see him. For now, I'm just gonna edit some more videos while I wait for the guys to come back from shopping.
Nu er jeg begyndt at få power igen, kan jeg mærke. Nu når Jan vil bare snart løs, ikke? Hvad? snakkede, det var virkelig dårlig forbindelse hjemme hos dig i kælderen, hva'? Alle tager jo derover for at tage ud og spise og handle og shoppe og sådan. I må have en fantastisk tur.
Jo, tak.
God aften.
Mange tak, og i lige måde.
Tak.
I just got back from picking up my stuff back at the farm, the commune. I'm just cooking some delicious meat. Hanging out with the guys. They don't really want to appear on video. Simple. Delicious. Itadakimasu.